take all the cotton pin out. You can hammer this out, or you can press, but I just use a hammer. Okay, don't hit the knuckle with the tie rod, hit the knuckle where the right here. Okay, so it should come out like that. There, see that? That's how you hit it. Make sure you mark somewhere right here, so when you count back, so you have to know exactly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So exactly 17. So when you remember, you just count 17 back, and that will fit the alignment back in, because if you don't count it, that will be off, and then you having trouble to getting the alignment. So I'm gonna take this boot out. Okay, and then underneath here, just break this piece right here off. Okay. So slide the new one back in. Using bought this strap metal from Hubbard Freight. They carry this strap metal over there. So what you have to do, you can use a zip tie, or you can use this strap. What you have to do, just pull like this. Okay. Okay, that's it. And counting this one back up will be 17. 1, 2, 16, 17. And then lock this up. Okay. And lock this castle nut. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's it to do your rack and pinion boot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye now.